Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to turn off green dot on your Android device. If you open your camera, you may have noticed a green dot appears right over here at the top. This is the green dot. Look closely at the top right corner right here and it just disappears when I close the app. Now if I remove it from recent, there won't be a green. Make sure you notice that. As I'm still recording the video, that is why there is still green dot appearing. So the main reason behind this green dot is that if any of your device or any of your app is using camera or recording voices or screen recording, also there will be this icon appearing. So if you want to remove that, then you have to turn off permission from all the apps that use things like camera, notification, audio, and like that. So if you want to disable all of that, go to settings, tap on settings and go to the search bar and type in permission manager. So tap on permission manager and then scroll down and tap on permission manager. Here you'll find a list of all the apps that use things such as camera, call logs, contacts, etc. So if you want to remove this green dot, simply tap on camera and disable all of these apps that use your camera, that has access to camera. In order to do that, simply tap on any app and tap on don't allow. So repeat this step to all the application, and after you finish no apps allowed to all this, then you shouldn't have this green dot appearing on your device. And that's it guys. In this way you can easily turn off green dot on Samsung phone. But the demerit is that if you turn off all this from every app, then you will not be able to access camera while you log into other apps such as Insta, Messenger. So you'd again have to turn that on. So it is just a feature of your Android device. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it useful, then consider liking and subscribing to the channel.